Welcome back to Amika Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration. Illuminate your space, 10 creative ways to embrace natural light in your indoor courtyard design. Natural light holds an unparalleled charm in interior design, especially within indoor courtyards. It breathes life into spaces, creating a serene ambience while seamlessly blending the outdoors with the indoors. Integrating natural light into your indoor courtyard design not only enhances aesthetics but also offers numerous health and mood benefits. Indoor courtyards are a beautiful way to bring the outdoors in, adding a touch of nature and light to your home. But what if your courtyard feels a bit dim? Don't worry, there are plenty of creative ways to maximize natural light and transform your space into a sun-drenched oasis. Natural light is essential for our health, well-being, and mood. It can also enhance the beauty and functionality of our indoor spaces. However, not all homes have access to abundant natural light, especially in urban areas where buildings are densely packed. How can we bring more natural light into our homes without compromising on privacy, security, and energy efficiency? One solution is to create an indoor courtyard, a space that connects the interior and exterior of a home through a skylight, a window, or a door. An indoor courtyard can provide natural ventilation, thermal comfort, and a connection to nature, while also serving as a focal point for the home. In this article, we will explore 10 creative ways to incorporate natural light in your indoor courtyard design, from using reflective surfaces and transparent materials to adding plants and water features. Here are 10 innovative and practical ways to infuse your indoor courtyard with the beauty of natural light. 1. Skylights and clerestory windows. Let the sunshine flood in from above. Skylights and clerestory windows are your best friends and one of the most effective ways to bring natural light from above into your indoor courtyard, especially if they have limited wall space. Opt for skylights with diffusers to prevent harsh glare and create a soft, dappled light effect. These windows add a layer of elegance while directing sunlight deeper into the courtyard. Embrace the beauty of the sky by installing a glass roof or skylights in your courtyard. This design element allows sunlight to flood the space throughout the day, creating an open and airy atmosphere while maintaining privacy. Skylights can provide direct or indirect light, depending on the orientation, the size, and the shape of the opening. Skylights can also provide ventilation, insulation, and solar heating, depending on the type, the material, and the design of the skylight. You can choose skylights that suit your space, your style, and your needs, such as fixed, operable, vented, or tubular skylights. 2. Floor-to-ceiling windows to bring light from the sides. Incorporate floor-to-ceiling windows around your courtyard's perimeter. These expansive windows offer unobstructed views of the outdoors, allowing sunlight to effortlessly stream into the space, brightening every corner. Floor-to-ceiling windows can provide different types of light, such as diffuse, direct, or reflected light, depending on the location, the size, and the shape of the window. Windows can also provide views, ventilation, and privacy, depending on the style, the material, and the treatment of the window. You can choose windows that suit your space, your style, and your needs, such as casement, sliding, awning, or bay windows. 3. Light tubes and sun tunnels. If overhead access is limited, consider light tubes or sun tunnels. These ingenious devices capture sunlight from your roof and channel it down into your courtyard through a tube, brightening even the darkest corners, ensuring a well-lit environment throughout. 4. Light reflective surfaces. Opt for light reflective materials like polished floors, glossy tiles, or mirrors strategically placed within the courtyard. These surfaces bounce natural light, amplifying its presence and illuminating darker corners. You can also use reflective surfaces to create interesting visual effects, such as mirroring the outdoor scenery, creating a contrast between light and dark, or adding a touch of glamour and sophistication. Choose light-colored finishes for your courtyard walls, floors, and furniture. White, cream, and pale stone tones reflect light beautifully, creating a more open and airy feel. 5. Use transparent materials to create a seamless transition. Another way to maximize natural light in your indoor courtyard is to use transparent materials, such as glass, acrylic, or polycarbonate. These materials can create a seamless transition between the indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing light to pass through without obstruction. You can use transparent materials for the roof, the walls, the doors, or the furniture of your indoor courtyard, depending on your preference and budget. Transparent materials can also create a sense of openness, airiness, and continuity, while also showcasing the beauty of your courtyard. Replace solid walls with translucent materials like glass blocks, frosted glass panels, or polycarbonate sheets. This allows light to filter through while maintaining privacy and separation from adjoining spaces. 6. Light-colored furniture and decor. Choose light-colored or translucent furniture and decor items. They contribute to a brighter ambience by reflecting and dispersing natural light, amplifying the feeling of spaciousness. Colors can also influence the amount and the quality of natural light in your indoor courtyard. Colors can reflect or absorb light, creating a bright or a dark atmosphere. Colors can also affect the mood, the temperature, and the perception of the space. You can choose colors that suit your space, your style, and your preference, such as white, yellow, or blue. You can also use colors to create contrast, harmony, or accent in your indoor courtyard. 7. Adjustable shades or curtains. Install adjustable shades or curtains to regulate the amount of sunlight entering the courtyard. This feature allows for flexibility, letting you control the light intensity and create varying atmospheres throughout the day. 8. Open-air atriums or courtyards. If possible, create an open-air section within the courtyard. This open space allows for unrestricted sunlight penetration, fostering a direct connection with nature while still maintaining the indoor setting. 9. Water features and reflecting pools to create a soothing sound and a sparkling effect. Water features are another great way to incorporate natural light in your indoor courtyard. Water features can create a soothing sound and a sparkling effect, adding a sense of calmness and relaxation to the space. You can choose water features that fit your space, your theme, and your budget, such as fountains, ponds, waterfalls, or streams. You can also add lighting, plants, or stones to your water features to create more interest and variety. Water reflects light beautifully, adding sparkle and movement to your courtyard. A small reflecting pool or fountain can amplify natural light and create a serene atmosphere. 10. Use lighting to complement the natural light. Lighting is another important element to consider when designing your indoor courtyard. Lighting can complement the natural light, providing illumination, ambience, and accent. You can use lighting for the ceiling, the walls, the floor, or the furniture of your indoor courtyard, depending on your preference and budget. You can choose lighting that suit your space, your style, and your theme, such as recessed, pendant, wall, or floor lighting. Conclusion. Incorporating natural light into your indoor courtyard design elevates the aesthetic appeal while fostering a harmonious connection between nature and architecture. From architectural alterations to thoughtful decor choices, these 10 creative techniques offer versatile ways to infuse your indoor space with the beauty and benefits of natural light. Embrace these strategies and transform your indoor courtyard into a luminous sanctuary that rejuvenates both body and soul.